Good afternoon. My name is Kunda Yamba, a medical student from Texila. I'm here to talk about the goodness of having a dissection room within the campus. The first, I'll talk about time saving because we don't need to travel to go to TH or Levy. We do it from our own convenience premises. Then the other interesting thing is we do the dissection and ask questions to the lecturers that are teaching us in school. So it's very convenient in that the way they have arranged the tables, we are quite few in numbers, so each one has time to participate in structure identification. Then the other thing that I'll talk about is the importance of having support from our lecturers that are teaching us in class to come and show us as we identify structures and to participate in dissecting these structures. And then I also talk about the mentorship that they give. They make sure that we are not on ourselves. They're usually coming through to just check what we're doing and verify with them what structures we've seen. And then it also brings us as one in group. Why? Because we have time to interact with friends because we're not mixed with other schools. So I have time to interact with my friends in class as well as in the DR about the structures that we learn. And then the other advantage I'll talk about is it's just like 2 minutes away from the class. So by 14 exactly we'll begin and we'll start dissecting. And the hours, we have enough hours because if we start at 14, we're ending at 17. So that gives us the time to dissect and follow the dissection book. Yeah, so it's very nice having a dissection within the school campus because it saves time, then it helps you interact with your friends, and then it also helps you see what the lecturers are teaching in class as you see it on a cadaver. Thank you.